Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. I'm Lacquer Lover, and today I'm going to be showing you how I painted my J-Hope 28th birthday inspired nail art design. First, I'm going to be applying a thin layer of base coat. Base coat protects your natural nails and prevents staining, and if you use a peel-off base coat like I do, then you'll be able to keep your designs intact. I'm going to be painting my index and pinky fingernails a mustard yellow and the rest of my nails a sheer pale pink polish. For the index fingernail, I was inspired by the plaid shirt that J-Hope wore in the season's greetings for 2021. So it was yellow, it had teal and blue, so I just worked with yellow and blue, and I'll also mix in clear polish later into the yellow polish, and I'll overlap that with the blue, and that will create the teal shade. So basically what you need is just two shades and clear polish, and you'll be able to create three colors. And I just find that this creates a very natural plaid design. I was actually inspired by someone else's technique, and I will link her video in the description box, but I thought this was very smart and just genius, and I thought that it made a very realistic and kind of rustic design. Next, for the middle and ring fingernails, I just wanted to do a happy, bright, retro design. So I was actually mostly inspired by this retro rainbow background they have for iPhones. Basically, you're just going to draw these curves from the upper left corner of your nail towards the cuticle and kind of swoop it down towards the tip. So at the top I used my mustard yellow shade, and then I went in with a salmon pink, and then beneath that I used a dark blue, the same dark blue that I used for the plaid pattern. So on my pinky fingernail I did the same plaid pattern that I did on my index fingernail, so I didn't feel the need to share that twice. And on the thumbnail, I just drew a little cause at the tip of the nail. If you don't know, it's basically this collectible that Hobi likes to collect, and he has a bunch of these figurines in his studio and just in his home. So there is this picture, I believe it was posted a while ago, but he's holding his pink cause stuffed animal, and I was inspired by it, and just to keep the color palette consistent, I just used the same salmon pink, although in the photo it's probably a lighter, more paler pink. So I used white polish to add the eyes, and then I just went in with the base color to add the nose right in between those two eyes. So the eyes are huge, and you can see that I'm using different shades of pink. What I did was I used the base color, mixed in some of a darker pink and also white to just get different variants of it so that I can create those shadows and highlights. And then I also went in with a light gray polish to separate the eyeballs, and I went in with a dark pink to add the X's to the eyes. Now all you have to do is apply a generous layer of top coat, making sure you float the brush across the nails so as not to smudge the designs. So this is my completed Hobi 28th birthday inspired nail art design. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Of course, happy birthday to our birthday boy, Seok. And yeah, I hope he has a great day, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye everyone!